Today, we are going to show you a new tool that will help you to humanize AI-generated content. Like you are a student or a researcher and you want to enhance your research work using AI. Of course, you know that if you just lift AI-generated content into your research work, your institution is going to flag that and it may cause a huge problem for you. But in this video, I am going to show you how to humanize AI-generated content free of charge. Hello, my name is Pat from Primevox Academy. Let's dive in. For example, if you come to Gemini and enter this prompt, write a background of the study on the research topic, the impact of artificial intelligence in modern day research. Then I will send it and wait for Gemini to write this research for us. Remember, we are just asking it to write the background of the study and not the entire research. Voila! We have our research work here. AI Gemini has written this content for us. So you can see this as the background of the study. As we said before, the problem is when you lift this and submit for your institution, there is going to be an issue because this was generated by artificial intelligence. Now, let me show you what your institution will do. They will use a tool known as Turnitin to check if this content is written by human or generated by AI. I am going to highlight just this first and second paragraph, then copy it, go to AI detector tool to see if it will detect it as humanly written or AI generated. The name of the AI detector tool I want to use first is ZeroGPT. I will put the link in the description box below. So if I enter this now and say detect, then AI will go to work and tell me that this content is 100% AI generated. You can see it. Everything here is flagged as AI. If I use another AI detector tool known as Quillbot, if I come to Quillbot and click on AI detector, from here, I will do the same thing, enter the text, and then click on detect. Wait for it to perform the process. At the end, it will tell me it is also 100% likely AI. Now, for us to humanize this, we are going to use a free tool. This free tool is relatively new. The name of the tool is PowerKit.dev. From PowerKit.dev, you will see AI Humanizer. You can see it from here. Now, once I click on it, and I will have to do what? Enter my text. So I will paste the text that AI generated for us. After that, I will then say humanize text. Then wait for it to complete the process. Boom! We have our results here. You can see the results. If you read this sentence and also check this sentence, you see that there's a big difference, okay? Now, then what we need to do is to check it using the AI detector tools. So I will come down here and copy this text, then use the first detector tool that we have used, which is ZeroGPT. I will highlight this, press delete, then paste this new text. Then click on detect text. As you can see, this also returns 100% AI generated. But let us go to another AI detector tool. So we'll be using Quillbot, then enter the same text, copy, cut, and paste, then click on detect AI button. This time it is 52% for Quillbot, whereas for ZeroGPT it is 100%. What is important here is that Quillbot is able to reduce the amount of AI features in this particular text. But there is one interesting thing Quillbot has here. It reads, caution, our AI detector is advanced, but no detector are 100% reliable. No matter what their accuracy scores claim, Never use AI detection alone to make decisions that could impact a person's career or academic standing. Did you see that? So you should be very careful whether you are a student or a teacher. All these AI tools, their intelligence is just artificial. So you should be very careful when using them. Let me know in the comment section if you have a better AI detector tool or a humanizer tool that can do this better. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your loved ones. Until next time, keep learning.